Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore this pyramid, volume of a pyramid to be more exact. So let's zoom in on the key elements of a pyramid. Well, we call this particular point here, the top, a vertex. Alright, and there are some things to take note which I will highlight in red or in green, sorry. The perpendicular height is referring to this height that goes all the way to the base. Okay, so this is important because there are two different kinds of height when we deal with or work with pyramids. The other height is what we call the slant height. It's actually referring to this particular slant height, and I'm going to just make a rough sketch. Where does this slant height comes from? So if you see, the slant height is actually the height of the one of the faces. Okay, I'm going to just do a rough sketch of triangle V, B, C out, and from here the slant height is actually referring to this, which is the height of the triangle or triangular face. In this particular pyramid, we use the word lateral face. Okay, so there's something for us to take note. All right, so I've successfully covered what is called a vertex. It is at the pointed top, and there are lateral faces, and the lateral faces are triangular shape, and there's also this base at the bottom. Okay, in this case, it's a hexagonal shape. All right, and we also touch on this perpendicular height, which is from the top all the way to the base. And I would like then to highlight this particular example. Should the height is slanted, that means it's not really a right triangle. Oh, what is a right pyramid? A right pyramid is where, oh, this is an interesting particular word, right pyramid. It simply means that the vertex, which is the point on top, is at the center of the pyramid. So now I know this particular point all the way down, this part here will be at the center. So this is my H. And if I look at this slanted one, this height here need not be at the center. Okay, so that's what it means. So last but not least, this is just a remark or just something for us to take note. It is very important to know where is this perpendicular height. Okay, and the difference between this slanted height as well. All right, so once we got that clear, we also should know that pyramids, how do we classify it? We classify it based on the shape of the base. This is a triangle shape, triangular pyramid. If it is a square pyramid. If it is a rectangle, Then rectangular pyramid, if it is five-sided base, called a pentagon. Pentagonal pyramid. And of course, hexagonal pyramid. Yep, these are just some of the examples. The list can go on. And the last thing to take note, how then can we find the volume of a pyramid? Please remember it is 1/3 of the base area times the perpendicular height. Okay. Of the pyramid. Okay, the green color one. With that, we have come to the end of this particular video for a quick intro to volume of a pyramid. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.